Hi designers, in today's video I'm going to help you prepare for your interview. We'll be discussing on what will be there, like what are the interview rounds, how many rounds will be there, what you need to prepare for the first round and all. So whether you are a beginner or an experienced designer, it'll be suiting for you is what I believe. And the depending on the company, the rounds may also differ, but generally this is how the interview preparation and the process will be. So the first round will be the HR round. Once your portfolio gets shortlisted, they'll be contacting you, and the HR will be asking you in a telephonic interview, like what will be your salary expectation, notice period, and when will you be able to join in the company. So things like that will be asked by the HR, and once that is done, they'll schedule you an interview call in which you will have to showcase your portfolio. So make sure that you have enough case studies with web design and mobile. So it's important to show your projects that you have worked, and you can use STAR method to explain your projects, like situation, task, kind of framework that you can just uh, try to incorporate in your explanation. And they'll be asking the design director or the design manager who is interviewing you will be asking some kind of question to you during that time when you are trying to explain your design process. Post that, if you have any questions to them, you have to ask. I would suggest you to ask that question as well, as it shows interest, uh, like you are showing interest to the company and you have researched about them. So it is important for you to do that thing. And they might also ask you to work on a task after you are getting selected in the second round. So the third round will be a take home assignment or a live interview task that you have to work on. So make sure you are well prepared, be it in terms of component usage, or if it's a UX role, then your thinking and logic matters. So be well prepared in those scenarios, how they might ask a question like what is the task that they are giving. According to that, you have to create screens or work on the whiteboard challenge. And um, after that, we'll be having a call with the design lead after that, to discuss about how you are going to be culturally fit in their company. And after that, you will be onboarded to their company. So it is important for you to follow the design standards, learn how you can prepare for the interview, what kind of questions that they might ask when you are receiving an invitation. If it is a virtual interview, make sure that you are learning about the person who is going to interview you, so that you can get an understanding of what kind of questions he might ask based on the background they are in belonging to. Okay, so try to do a mock interview before the real interview. Try to list down all the questions and the possible answers that you can give. Make use of AI tools for that purpose, and uh, by that way you can also try to get a very well understanding of how you can answer for whatever question they ask. You will be more confident because you are prepared. So don't go for an interview without any preparation. There is no last minute preparation and all. So you'll have to prepare really well, maybe for 2 days at least. So uh, write on everything, whatever questions they might possibly ask. So don't worry if they are not asking any question that you have already prepared for. You need to manage by answering somewhat relevant to the prepared notes, or again you have to think from your experience, and whatever comes to your mind you have to give the answer. Don't go blank. And also Try to respond to all the questions which they are asking. Don't leave it anything without a response or an irrelevant response. Try to read the job description again, and based on that, prepare the questions whichever they might ask you. And I think only a job seeker in UX UI design field will be seeing this video. I wish you all the best and don't leave hope. See you guys in the next video. Thank you.